Gmail is a popular email service provided by Google that we use in our daily life. Gmail is being used for personal and business communication. It offers a variety of features that make it a convenient and efficient way to manage your email. Here are some key features that Gmail users should know about. 1. Gmail tabs. Gmail automatically categorizes your emails into different tabs, such as primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums, helping you organize your inbox more efficiently. 2. Spam filtering. Gmail uses advanced algorithms to filter out spam emails, so you don't have to worry about your inbox being cluttered with unwanted messages. 3. Multiple account support. You can easily switch between multiple Gmail accounts without having to log in and out repeatedly. 4. Labeling and organization. Gmail allows you to create labels and folders to organize your emails, making it easy to find the messages you need. 5. Smart Compose. Using AI, Gmail suggests complete sentences as you type, helping you compose emails faster and with fewer typos. 6. Search. Gmail's powerful search feature allows you to quickly find emails by sender, subject, or keyword. 7. Undo send. Gmail gives you a brief window of opportunity to undo sending an email after you've hit the send button, which can save you from embarrassing mistakes or sending incomplete messages. 8. Integrated calendar. Gmail includes a built-in calendar that allows you to schedule appointments and events and receive reminders via email. 9. Mobile access. Gmail can be accessed from any device with an internet connection, so you can stay connected to your email on the go. 10. Security features. Gmail offers a variety of security features to protect your account from unauthorized access, including two-factor authentication and encryption. 11. Configurability. If you send an email containing the same information, you can also create a template for it. For this, you have to go to the settings and look for the advanced link. Now, you have to scroll to the template section and mark enable. Now create a new template and click on compose. Due to this, you can create a template and send an email in a few clicks. 12. Get all your unread email in one place. Your mail inbox can be filled with so many mails at once that it can be difficult to remember which mails you missed. For this, you have to go to the search bar of your Gmail account and type unread. This will allow you to find all your unread emails in one place. These are just a few of the many features that make Gmail a popular choice for email users. These features can greatly enhance your Gmail experience and help you manage your emails more effectively.